Hello everyone, it's WebTech Guide once again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a website using WordPress. This method is very easy, and in few minutes we are done. So let's get started. So the first thing that you are going to need if you want to create a website with WordPress is your hosting. So you are going to find an hosting provider that you can use. For example, there are many hosting provider. We have the GoDaddy, we have the Hostinger, we have the Bluehost, we have Namecheap, and we have many other ones too. But these are the ones that I can really guarantee you that they have a very good service, and their customer service is always active. So depending on the one that you want to use, you can just purchase any hosting plan from them, and then you get to install your WordPress website. So let me just choose Namecheap for this video. So if you need to buy any hosting from Namecheap, or it works for every type of hosting too, all you need to do is to register on that platform and purchase a hosting, and you also need a domain name. All right, so let me go to namecheap.com. So when you get to Namecheap, you get this page. All you need to do is go to hosting and click on shared hosting, and then they have three packages that you can choose from: the Stellar, Stellar Plus, and the Stellar Business. So all right, you can just click anyone depending on the kind of website that you want to create. For example, this Stellar plan can only host 3 websites, while this Stellar Plus can host unlimited websites, and this Stellar Business can also host unlimited website. So depending on what works best for you. All right, so let me just go with this. Get started. As you can see, $22.80 for the first year. So let me go with this. Get started. All right, and you're gonna need a domain name too. If you don't have a domain name yet, just go to new domain name and see new purchase. So just search for a domain name, search for something like WebTech Guide blog. Let me use WebTech Guide web. So if your domain name is available, you're gonna get this result, and so you can see the .com, .fun. So just choose any domain name that you want. For this, it is $9.50 per year. All right, so I'm just gonna go with this, and once you are done, click on connect to hosting. All right, so this is the total amount that you are going to pay for the first year. You can see the total one is $32.64, and just click on add to cart. So once you click on add to cart, you will get this page, and click on confirm order. So after clicking that, the next page that you are gonna get is where you can create an account. But for me, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna sign in my account. So once you create an account, you will be directed to this page where you can complete your order. So all you need to do is to input your credit card details or your debit card details, anyone. Just input them here, your card number and everything. Just fill all this and click on continue. So once you click on continue, you will get a notification that your payment has been successful, and after that you'll be redirected back to your dashboard. So once you are done with that, go to hosting lists, and go to your cPanel. So scroll down and locate the Softaculous Apps Installer or the WordPress Manager. Anyone can work. So click on this. So these are the list of the website that I have installed WordPress on. So we're going to install it on a new website. So click on install, and you are going to locate the URL that you bought. I mean the domain name that you bought. So let me just choose this for me for this video, and you can edit this, or you can just edit it later. So you can just write your site name. Let me write WebTech Guide, And the description too, you can write anything that you want and write web tech guide. Then your admin username and your password. Just make sure that you have a very strong password. So once you have input your password, edit your admin email too. And I don't need to use any of this for now. So click on install. So after installing it, you can check out our website here, or you can access your admin dashboard here. You can see this is your administrative URL /wp admin. So you can click on it to access your dashboard. So let me close the other tabs. Next step is that we're going to customize our WordPress website. So I remove the unnecessary plugins and the unnecessary themes that are there. So let me check for some of the themes that are there. So we don't need all these themes, so let me just delete them so that it will keep your website clean. And delete this too. Then let's go to the plugins. Alright, so let me delete this. So then once you are done with this, let us change our permalinks. To change that, go to settings and you will see permalinks right here. So click on it. Alright, so this is actually how your website URL will look. But for the sake of SEO, we are going to use this. This is actually the best for SEO. Okay, and save changes. Right, now that we have changed the permalink structure of our website, the next thing to do right now is to install a theme. Now there are thousands of themes of WordPress themes that you can use. You can just go to your appearance and click themes and just choose anyone that you like. So click on add new, and you can choose any one of them actually, but let me scroll and check anyone that seems appealing to me. I think I kind of like this particular theme. So if you can just choose anyone you like, not necessarily this one. So click on install and activate. Alright, so you can choose from these 3 demos, or you can check out for other demos, but I think these 3 should be okay for me. So let me choose let me go with this, take it like this. So click here. So let us check how our website looks. Let me open this in a new tab. So you can see this is how your website is going to look like. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to edit this. I'm going to show you how to edit this. Now you can edit it with either with the inbuilt editor or with the Elementor editor. Now the Elementor editor is a drag and drop plugin that it is very easy to use and anybody can use it. You can learn it within 1 day and you'll be perfect at it. Alright, so let me start with the built-in editor that is here. So let me go back to themes and click on start customizing. Or if I don't want to click here, I can just edit it from here. Click here and click here, edit with this. It is still the same thing. So right now, as you can see, this is the built-in editor. You can see, just click on anyone you want to edit. Let me try to click this one. You can see edit heading. And you can change your text color that is here and the heading properties. Now if you also click, you can change anything that you want to change. Let me edit this one. So if you want to edit any text at all, it is very easy to do. So click on here. So click it twice and you'll be able to edit them. And also this, you can delete anyone you want to delete. Just click on this pencil icon. You can say delete, you can say edit. So if you click on edit, you see many other features that you can do. This is where you can change this text, then more. you can change it. And this also, you can change the colors too. Just click on styles to change the color. You can see all the colors that you want. This is the background color, over background color. So scroll down, and if you want to delete anything, it is very easy. If you want to delete the whole of this right now, if you want to delete maybe this, just click here and it gets deleted. You want to delete this too, click the same place and it gets deleted. So it is very easy to use. All you need to do is to stay with this and keep exploring many features that it has. Scroll down. If you don't want this also, you can delete this whole section. So let me delete it. Just click on this settings icon. You will see delete block and you can delete. So it is very, very easy to use all this testimonial section. Also, just click on the pencil icon, this picture, this and this. You can edit anything there. So right now, so you can also edit your logo. If you want to choose any logo, you can choose logo image only. So this is where you can select your logo. All you need to do is to click select file and you can select logo from your computer. Let me choose this. You can easily select logo from your computer and select, and let me skip the cropping. Alright, so this is the logo, and also the menu too. Just click here. You can see where you can edit the menu. You can see we have not created any menu. So if you want to create a menu right now, just go to your dashboard. But before you do that, make sure that you already published this so that your changes will be saved. Make sure that for every changes you work on, make sure that you always publish it. And you can also change all these ones to all these texts. You can change everything that you want to do. You can see location, state, country. You can change them and click here too. You can see the number, you can see the email address. So go back to your dashboard and go to appearance and click on menus. So let us create our first menu right here. So let me rename this as a main menu, and it's gonna be the header primary menu, display location. So create menu. So if you have any page on your website, once you click here, you will see the page right here. So just select them. If you create any page, let me also use the sample page too. So click add to menu. So you can also rename this if you don't want this front page. It doesn't look professional enough. Let me rename it to home. And okay, so save menu. So let me go back to customize and let me refresh this page. So you can see that the menu has now been edited just like I did it. You can see the home, the blog and the sample page. It is already there. So the next thing we are going to do right now is to create a new page. So is either you use the inbuilt editor or you use the Elementor. And if you don't use the Elementor, just click on plugins and click on add new. So search for the Elementor plugin. So this is the plugin. Click on install now and activate. So we don't need to set this up for now. So click here. So now to create a new page, go to pages and click on add new. So once you get to this page, you can add the title for your new page. Let's say you want to create a page on about us. So you can either use the inbuilt editor or the Elementor. So but let me just use the Elementor. Let me publish the page first. and click on edit with Elementor. Now Elementor is almost the same with the inbuilt editor. It is the same drag and drop. You can drag anything that you want. So you can see about us, and you can drag whether you want to add a picture. Just drag it here, and you can choose a picture. Upload files. Let me check for any picture. Let me choose this. And click insert media. So you can see that the picture has been uploaded. So as you can see that the picture has been uploaded successfully. So let me add text. You can also add inner section right here, or click this plus, add in section, add your section layout or the structure. Let me choose this and click here. So we want to add a text. Drag this, drag it here. You can also drag another one here, or an image or anything, video, button, anything that you want. Let me drag another text here. So you can edit these two separately. This is one and this is another one. So you can also add button if you like, add anyone. So click here and drag this. Let me drag this too. You can add it anywhere. So you can edit it. Let me align it to the center. So, and this is how it's gonna look. This is how it's gonna look. I can increase the size of the button to let me say large, to anyone that you want. There are a lot of features in this Elementor, and I mean in a lot of them. Although there's a pro version of Elementor, this pro version actually have many more features than the normal Elementor. You can also use the image box, your icon box, and many other things. Thanks for watching this video, and if you have any question or you need more clarity on a particular aspect or more story on a particular aspect, kindly drop a comment below, and also like this video for more videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel also. And if you also need a website developer to help you with your projects, your WordPress project or your WordPress website, I am always available. This is my portfolio website, and you can always contact me. I will drop my email below, so you can send me a mail if you need any help, maybe on your website or any other thing about tech. So thanks for watching this video once again, and don't forget to subscribe once again. Thank you.